Hi and welcome to a video on IP CCTV connectors. IP CCTV system uses Cat6 cable through the network of cameras. The Cat6 cable needs to be crimped with RJ45 jack or connector on both the ends. Crimping an RJ45 jack needs a special tool and it takes some technical skills to get the job done. If the crimping is not done properly, the connections won't establish and the CCTV system won't work. For your convenience, we have pre-crimped cables available at various measures in the cables section of our website. You can even get customized size cables crimped with RJ45 jack. If you just need the RJ45 jack, it is available in various price points across brands. Watch our video on how to install IP CCTV system for more information about crimping RJ45 jack. Alternatively, you can take our professional support to install IP CCTV system. Visit our website www.agscctv.com for more information or talk to our CCTV experts. Thanks for watching.